In this video, you'll learn how to effectively set goals in Paperclip AI. By following these steps, you will be able to create and manage your goals efficiently within the platform. Start by navigating to the Paperclip dashboard. You can do this by entering the designated URL in your web browser. Once the dashboard loads, you should see various options and features related to your account. Next, locate the goals section on the dashboard. This is typically found on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on the goals option to proceed to the goals management area. After that, you will be directed to the goals page. Here, you can view any existing goals you may have set. To create a new goal, look for the button labeled Add Goal and click on it. This will open a new form for you to fill out. Once the form appears, you will need to type in the name of your goal in the designated field. Ensure that the name is clear and concise, as this will help you easily identify the goal later on. Following this, enter a detailed description of the goal in the provided text box. This description should outline what the goal entails and any relevant details that will assist you in achieving it. Clear descriptions can enhance your focus and motivation. Click on the Create Goal button to finalize the process. Once you do this, the system will process your request, and you should see a confirmation message indicating that the goal has been successfully created. It is important to verify that the goal appears in your goals list to ensure it has been saved correctly. Keep in mind that if you encounter any issues during this process, check your internet connection, as a weak connection may slow down loading times. Additionally, ensure that your browser is compatible with Paperclip AI to avoid any functionality problems. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.